Hi everybody, today I'm going to make a very cute daisy bracelet, beaded bracelet. I bought these beads from some market. You can get it like from any supermarket, and these are the elastic threads and normal threads for making bracelets. So I will make daisy flower look of the bracelet. I hope you will like it, and please watch my complete video for this beautiful tutorial. So I'll take this pink thread and I'll tie a knot in the beginning. So here first I'm gonna insert a white bead for making a daisy flower. So first you insert a white thread in right side and another thread. We have two threads, one in right side of the bead and another is left side of the bead. You can see you have to insert two threads, and now you will make it tight and move it towards the beginning of the thread. So now you will do next step. You have two threads like this, and you will insert two beads in each of the threads. So one is here, second is here, two in right side and two in left side. So now insert two beads in right side and this one. So these are the steps you can make a flowery daisy flower from the beads. So now I'm gonna make a middle part of the flower, and you will insert some different color, and you will insert it different way because you will hold both of the threads and you will insert same at the same time from the whole of the bead. So here you are, you will take out the threads from the middle, and this will be middle part of the flower. So next step will be these two beads of the right side, this, and you will take one thread and you will insert in these two beads of the right side. I hope you are getting the point that you have to take the thread and insert it again. Now left side, now you have to insert the thread again in these two sides of the beads. So keep inserting this thread, and now from the second one. That's how you will get the right shape of the flower. So next step is, now you will insert one more white bead. You will insert it the same way, right side of the bead and left side of the bead. So this way you will make a very cute daisy flower. You can see. Now you will make it tight, and you will keep making like this, so it will make a really nice and cute bracelet. You can see we have made a flower. So let's tie a knot, and I will attach it with some holder or any hook. You can see now I will tie a knot like this so that I can insert some more beautiful and decorative beads. So now you will hold these threads and you will insert some decorative beads, and this is very easy. Whatever decorative stuff you want in your bracelets, you can insert. Any beads you have available at home, you can insert like this, and you fill this bracelet. After inserting 1-2 beads, I'll make another daisy flower. So the same way you will make another flower with the help of beads, repeating the same steps. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and I hope you like it. Please share the video. Thank you. Bye bye.